Project 360, now the Neo version. That's right, we have a Neo version, neodymium motor, 6.5 inch, 8 inch, and 6x9. We have it here set up. This is the Project 360 8.4, the 4-ohm version. And here we have a Pro FR8 Neo. Both Neo motors, 250 watts RMS, 350 watts RMS. This is 99 dBs, 102 dBs, 1.75 inch voice coil, and a 1.5 inch voice coil. This is what the hype is all about. This is the recone kit for our Project 360. You can either use this on a ferrite magnet series or the Neo series. It's really easy to replace if you break your speaker. No downtime, no pause. All you have to do is unscrew, and then you unscrew, twist off, drop in the new one, lock it, bolt it down, and you're set to go. We're gonna play a song so you guys can hear the FR8 Neo and the new Project 360 8-inch Neo. So let's press play. We're gonna start off with the new one so you guys can hear it first. Project 360 8-inch Neo. This is the FR8 Neo. Now you can hear, on my end, I can hear that this one has a little bit more clarity, more vocals. This one is the silver tip, the legendary silver tip. It sounds good, it sounds deeper, it has a deeper vocals. Now we're gonna change the song, we're gonna get a little bit more volume. And here we go, we're gonna start again with this one. Super bright. You can tell the difference right there. Super clear, but this one's brighter. And there you guys have it. This is Project 360 by DS18. We like it loud.